Andy here with Expert Renovation. So it's about 11:15. We started our chimney removal job around 9 o'clock this morning. Claudio's getting the tarp nails repaired, doing it the right way, pulling the shingle up and caulking underneath instead of putting it on top. We went back with some Georgetown gray landmarks. I think this is I don't know what it is, maybe a slate timberline. We had these shingles at the shop. It's at the back of the house and it's a close enough match. The best part is it's not going to leak anymore. These customers had spent a lot of money having the chimneys reflashed and caps put on them, and they still leak. So if you're going to cap chimneys, put a coating on the top of them. More cheap insurance. And this job will be a wrap. And no more leaks for these folks. We would have loved to put a new roof on for them, but sometimes that's not the best solution for your customer. So if you've got roofing problems, roofing repairs, chimneys that need taken down, or any other general roof problems, please give us a call, 478-501-0102, and we will make it easy for you. Thanks for watching, and stay safe.